Alright, I'm ready. How y'all doing out there? What's going on? Yo, check this out. November 7th, 1976, now that's life. Believe I was born to rock a mic. If seeing is believing, my rhymes inside of sight. I headbutt the mic, one bite can stop the fight. But not tonight, logo the whole 12 strike. Then everything changed like a Cinderella night. I used to freestyle, now I'm jail cell tight. You cats living live, 7 slide in the hell twice. The real mic, rhyme Christ, what is you deaf? Already told your dumb ass thrice like blind mice. But the price was right, and you was in the limelight. Now every other word you say is wine or ice. What the hell you gon' do when the truth comes to surface? And all your fans recognize fool's gold is worthless. Anybody can think of a dope punchline. Anybody can make 3 syllables rhyme. Anybody can flow for a long ass time. Behind many cats you know can feed the mind. Who got skills is the real question. I teach these whack MCs a real lesson. I draw the crowd like concealed weapons. That's why they feel threatened. I killed 7 MCs that thought I need the weed to spark an ill session. Been writing rhymes since the age of 11. Now I'm super varsity, pardon me, your skills freshman. Your style's no match like Jada and Will Fresh Prince. Before One Below, hip-hop was ill-destined. This industry full of Uncle Toms, dickheads, dirty Harrys, technical revolutionaries with big vocabularies, legendary, making majors, millions in monetary. But check it, that money, that's only momentary. Who's the master? My mentality is plantation. Lyrically proclaimed to be whack-free emancipation. The honest president, how I represent, how benevolent. Now or never, kid, we promise Harriet. The land of the chosen few. Poetry, emotion in the ocean, split it open. You know how Moses do. See, my plan's going through, long and overdue. Sleeping on my crew, wake up and smell the Folgers brew. My rap photo shoot, snap Polaroids. Represent hip-hop like Matlock, you just a quarter point. Staying true, I hold mics that the Lord anoint. Hungry for meals, but won't fork it if I know it oinks. And the name of this jam is anybody can think of a dope punchline. Anybody can make 3 syllables rhyme. Anybody can flow for a long ass time. Behind many cats you know can feed the mind.